down there is a steep drop down to the Afon Nantcol after several days of rain. This is 10th of November, and my car I parked on the side of this quiet lane, and you can see there's a few trees, leaves are still on the trees. It's been exceptionally mild for November so far. I'll go down there and walk towards the waterfall. This is where I leave this quiet lane. Nantcol. In Welsh means waterfalls. There's the Afon Nantcol in spate. It hasn't actually rained overnight, but there's been a damp drizzle. But well, it's been coming down for quite some time. And this waterfall is located on private property. There's no actual right of way there, and there is a fee for walkers to gain access to the waterfall, but probably isn't anyone there today. It's, well, middle of November and it's a miserable day, so I'll just walk straight through. There's two sets of waterfalls, so I'll be looking at both of them. The upper waterfalls in many ways are more impressive. You can see there's quite a bit of water coming down. Now climb up this rocky footpath, roughly about 100 feet. But you can't really see too much of the lower waterfall. No real viewpoint. About the best, I recollect the best view of the waterfalls. You can't quite see the upper fall, the upper section of this particular fall. This rather awkward staircase going up to the top of this knoll. There's the upper section of this waterfall. Actually, there's another section further up, but this is on telescopic. Begins at the lower waterfall, roughly 100 foot drop. Here's a fine old tree, oak tree. Normally on my walks I choose a better day. This is, well, you can almost say it's typical Welsh weather. at any time of the year really. It's quite mild, in the mid-50s, but for November, you know, I'm walking now towards the upper waterfall, which I find quite impressive when I saw it last. Those are the upper falls. They're quite impressive after heavy rain. There's a view of the upper falls, close up. As far as I'll go on this walk, and it's looking down on the upper falls. So I'll retrace my steps now back to the car. One more view of the upper falls.